Okay, I'm making chicken carbonara. I'm frying the bacon right now. So when I fry bacon, I cut it up with scissors, like kitchen scissors, like this. I have a bunch of scissors in the kitchen. And I cut it up that way. I think that's the easiest thing to do. Then just stir so it gets crispy. Then we're gonna move on to the next thing. People feel like they need to turn down the smoke in a little bit. Now I'm changing burners because I'm boiling the water for the pasta. And then I'm going to take this bacon out and let it sit and get a little bit more crispy. I'm going to fry the chicken in the pan that I fried the bacon in. Crisped up bacon. I'm just put this in the microwave. It'll be fine in there. Nobody's gonna mess with it. Okay, now we're gonna finish seasoning the chicken. This is a chicken breast. I started already with garlic powder. Now I'm gonna do onion powder. And I don't measure when I cook, so what you think is the right amount, that's the right amount for your house. paprika. I liked smoked paprika. And then salt and pepper. Just regular. This is what it looks like before I start mixing. And sometimes I use my hands, sometimes I use the tongs, whatever you want to use. I don't care. Today I guess I'm going to use my hands. It's your house, you can use what you want. And we are gonna fry this chicken in that bacon grease. That's what we're gonna use. So that's the grease we're gonna use. Okay. And then a pro tip that I'm getting ready to do is when you want your water to boil, put a lid on the top. Boils quick. And it's not in there, it's in the dishwasher. Here's my lid on the top. Now I'm gonna wash my hands because I have chicken hands. That's yucky. Okay. Hands are washed, getting ready to dry them. Let's turn this off because we don't need that loud ass fan on. And we're gonna put the chicken bowl to the side because we're also using shrimp. I was lazy today and I just got the peeled shrimp. I live in New Orleans and you can get the shrimp with the heads on, with the tails on, and peel it yourself. And I'll do a video about that, about how to clean shrimp for real. But these shrimp are already clean. It's easier for me on a Sunday because I don't feel like cleaning no shrimp today. So, gonna get a bowl, another bowl. And I feel like that bowl is kind of big, but whatever. I guess we'll go with it. So, we're gonna use the same seasoning blend that we used for the chicken or the shrimp. So that's salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. And it is your desired amount of each of those seasonings. And the spaghetti, we're just gonna prepare that like you would spaghetti, like to what you like it, al dente, however you want to do it. You're gonna prepare the spaghetti and put it on the side and combine it at the end, because if you compare it, or if you combine it, if you combine it, it's gonna soak up all that sauce, and then it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna taste good, and it's not gonna look saucy either. It's gonna look like a big old block of that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, let's get some tongs. We have tongs. I have all different kinds of tongs. And we're gonna mix you people around here, this shrimp. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like after it's all mixed. It's gonna kind of look similar to the chicken. It's just shrimp. Okay, this is what it looks like. And when it's time to start frying, we'll be back.